Hi guys, good freaking morning. Is it morning still? Yeah, it's 11:55 and it's my 20th birthday, which is crazy. Like, I'm no longer a teenager. But if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel right down below and give this video a thumbs up because I don't know, just because I'm old now. So let me set you guys down because this thing is so freaking heavy. I hope that stays. Every time I balance my camera on this thing, I get like super nervous. Anyways, it's almost 12 o'clock. But I went to breakfast. I woke up so early today. I woke up at around 7:30. I couldn't really sleep. My phone was going off all night with just people wishing me a happy birthday, and which I'm really appreciative of, but you know, I'm trying to get sleep. So I woke up at like 7:30. I went to breakfast. Didn't vlog any of that because I don't know, it's just weird when you have to like go outside in public now. My sister took me to Starving Artist, which is a waffle breakfast spot in Toronto, so that was fun, really good. I didn't finish it all, so I just took it home because it was just like way too much. I also went to Starbucks to get my birthday drink, and of course you always gotta get the biggest size. I got a venti vanilla sweet cream cold brew. I was really feeling coffee. This is going to make me super jittery. I don't think I'll finish that because that's just a lot, but you always go big or go home, you know? I wanted to do a couple things. I did upload a new video. Actually, it's not up yet because it's not 12 o'clock. But in 2 minutes, a new video will be going live. It is a letter to 20-year-old me, and I just put a montage over me talking of like me and like my family and my friends, just video clips of the past like year or so. It brought back a lot of memories, a lot of things that I didn't even remember doing. I got to kind of relive them, and I hope you enjoy that video. That video is mostly for me, but it's also to anyone who will ever become 20. You could watch it, you can learn from me, you can see what I was thinking, the headspace I was in. I filmed it yesterday, the day before my 20th birthday. I don't really have much to do. The plan today is I'm gonna eventually do my hair. I already did my makeup, but I'll eventually do my hair. I want to finish my friend's birthday DIY, which I'll do sometime today. I want to wrap her gift so that I could get out of the way because her birthday is 2 days after mine and I haven't done that yet, so I have to quickly finish that. And later my friends are coming over for a quick little picnic. Not quick, for a little picnic in my backyard. Usually I do like a dinner downtown or something, but I don't feel comfortable really eating at a restaurant right now unless it's like on a patio, and I don't really feel like traveling downtown on the subway. I don't know, I just feel really weird about that. Currently I'm wearing this top from Aricia by the brand TNA and a pair of denim shorts, but I will be changing later because you know, you have to get the cute Instagrams. I'm going to watch either YouTube or Grey's Anatomy right now while I finish the final touches of my friend's present, and then I guess maybe, do we want to see a time lapse? I did include a time lapse in my last video, which the last video before this video will have been the last week in my life, but I'll do a time lapse of me finishing off her present and then I'll show you and we'll probably wrap her gift. Hello, so it's currently 2:12 and I finished my friend's like DIY portion, which looks like this. So it's a cocktail book. So this one is a peach Bellini. So I have the ingredients, the instructions, and then a little picture of it. And then on the front, I asked a bunch of our friends what drink like would best describe her, and then they said this. So I said a peach Bellini. So it's like really cute, really small, and I like kind of laminated them with tape so that while she's making the drinks they don't like spill and damage the cards. So I finally finished this. It literally took me like days to finish this. And I also have like her other presents to wrap, and I just keep them in here. This Amazon box is like super big though, so I thought that they could actually fit in this Aritzia box, and it does not. So maybe I can just put it in a bag. Insert a montage of me wrapping presents. Hello, so we're very backlit. Oh, it's adjusting itself. I put on a completely different outfit. This dress is from Aritzia. I got it a while ago, maybe like over a year. But it's just white, super cute, very basic. It's like this linen material. Best part is that it has pockets. What the heck? It's about $3.45. I'm gonna do my hair and put on my eyelashes, and probably the next time I update you guys will be when my friends get here. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I didn't end the vlog, but I'm on here right now to end it. I didn't vlog when my friends got here, but at the end of this clip I'm going to insert any photos or videos that I took or that my friends took, just so that I could keep it for memories and that you guys could see it as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. It's free, so you know, why not? But I will see you guys next Thursday for another new video. Bye!
Yay! Oh no! Oh, it's okay. Ashley.
I lied, I was recording you!
Wow. Yo, baby, drop that. Stop doing that.
That shit.
Like scoop it out, you know, try scooping it out.
It's Mama Diana. Hello, it is Kiana's 20th birthday and she's gonna open up her gift. Oh wait, how do you? Oh fuck.
Okay. All I see is delicious chicken.
Oh my god,
Sorry, I'm so excited.
hold on, let me move back. Okay. Okay. Okay, go. Yeah.
Okay. I like your Christmas wrapping.
Thanks, my sister wrapped it.
Wait, there's no confetti?
No!
The confetti!
No! Ignore my address.
So we know where you live.
Like, why did you take it off and reseal the box?
How am I supposed to open this?
Someone get her, I think I have my keys.
Okay, I'll open this one.
Okay, that's my DIY, and let me just explain. Okay, so, okay, look at the packaging. I'm upgrading. You see the sticker? You see the
That's cute.
sticker?
It's a cute wrapper.
Anyways, thanks. Okay, I would just like to say, like, okay, it might not be, you might not like it, but it came from the heart, okay? And like, I made it myself. Yeah, exactly. Context clues.
I'm scared. What the?
It's in a
Shut. Next time.
No way.
baggie.
She even put another one.
That's what it is.
What is it?
You'll
Is it a
see.
bracelet?
No.
This?
No.
What is it?
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I made those.
Oh.
Get it? Because one is like, you know, your photography. You love to take
They're so
videos and stuff. And one's K for Kiana.
They're so cute.
Oh, you think so? Okay, good.
V is back.
Yay. That's all my chicken. I like chicken. They're my nails.
These
are my
nails. The new. Oh, sorry.
Wait, I even missed you.
Do you see that video on TikTok?
What video?
These are the thing.
New nails. What is this?
They're nail polish. I didn't open it, so I really hope it's the same color.
I keep thinking that too. Why is that? These are nice.
Yeah.
You want me to show you like your parrot?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Color. Oh, you can even. Oh, we can't even see colors. Oh my gosh.
It was like the pastel blue and the pink and the white. Two bees. There's a bee. There's a bee.
Video.
Anyway,
Oh, there's more?
this is for memories. I don't even care. I'm done with that now. Oh, okay. Let me explain.
Oh.
So, this is the thing you almost got, and that's why I was telling you to maybe get it, because this is from a store I was already buying clothes for myself from.
Okay.
So then I was like, okay, I might as well buy you something from there too. And I don't know if you'd care about the quality of it. I personally found the quality was the same as H&M, but it's up to you. Anyway.
I'm like, what? Okay.
The suspense is killing everyone, isn't it?
It's like,
This is a really long video.
because maybe because we're back.
Wow.
It's ripped crop tank top. This is exactly what you asked for. I got it from Shein or whatever.
I've never bought from there.
I bought there from the first time, and like the quality is like not bad. It's like H&M.
Yeah, this is like
Compared to-
decent.
yeah.
Yeah. For the price, it's not a bad deal.
It's like soap. Thank
You're welcome. That's a wrap. Yay!
You have to be 60.
Kiana, you're 60?